ಹಲೋ
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಸರ್
ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆ
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್
ಸರ್.
ಮಾಡಲಾ?
ಹಾ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್
sir.
ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಎವರಿಬಡಿ.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್,
afternoon,
ಹೌ ಆರ್
sir.
ಯು?
Fine, sir.
Fine, sir.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಪ್ಪ?
Sir, class ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ sir.
Sir.
At present, students, today's class is football. In previous classes, you already know regarding to the game of Kho-Kho, then Yogasana and Pranayama. Then today's class is the game of football. Student, you are supposed to know for each game, there will be history, there will be different types of conditions, then playing area measurements, either diagrams, either basic skills, then the game rules and regulations. Students, you already knows, everybody knows the game football. It is a popular game in other countries like Brazil, Italy, France, and England. The game is actually started, the famous in first in England in 19th century. In 19th century, again followed by China, it is 200 BC. Again, the Football Association was formed in England first in 1863. In 1863, the association was formed in England. Again, the first Challenge Cup of football, it is introduced in 1885. In 1885, the first Football Challenge Cup was introduced. Again, the game we were called as in football, it is the game is soccer. Again, the first Olympics included as an Olympic sports in 1908. 1908 ಅಲ್ಲಿ the game was introduced for Olympic sports. Again, the first World Cup in football is held at 1930. 1930. This is the brief history of the game of football. Once again, I repeated, the game is very popular in England in 19th century, followed by China to 200 BC. Again, the first Challenge Cup was introduced in England. It is 1885. 1885, the association formed. Again, the game was first included as an Olympic sports in 1908. 1908. The first World Cup competition was organized in 1930. The first World Cup competition was organized in 1930. This is the brief history of the game. Then you supposed to come under the conditions. While practicing, you supposed to go for some of the conditions. What are the spot run, again hopping, then sideward run, then forward run, then trunk bending, trunk twisting. There will be push-ups, there will be sit-ups, then will be jogging, wind sprint, backward run, sideward run, jump and kick, run and kick, jump and leg spread. Either you call it a jump and leg extensions, leg extension. These are all the few conditions you're supposed to go for before starting the game. These are all the conditions that you're supposed to know. Apart from that, again, 3, 4 part is there. There will be some conditions like jogging, shooting, trapping, passing, dribbling, heading, penalty kicks, tackling, corner kick. These are the few basic skills you're supposed to know before the starting the match, either before the tournament, because of to physically fit. Then you can go for practice. There are already basic skills here: passing, dribbling, kicking, heading, trapping, tackling and turning. These are the basic skills you're supposed to do before start the game. Again, one more most important is the dimensions of the football court, the football playing arena. See, it is a rectangle piece of land. It is a rectangle piece of land, like similar to the volleyball court, coco court, and basketball court. What about the football stadium, football ground? What are the football ground? Either it is oval, either it is a rectangle, either it is a circle.
Rectangle.
Anybody? Anybody?
Rectangle.
Rectangle, sir.
Which one?
Football.
Football. What about the cricket stadium?
ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ rectangle
Football
ಅಂತ.
field. Football field is a rectangle. What about cricket?
Rectangle, sir.
ಏ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್
Oval.
ಹಾ
What about cricket? Yes, good. It is
Oval,
not a circle.
sir.
There will be some measurements like the length of the court, the width of the court, then how many people they are supposed to play, the circumference of the ball, the height of the width, the weight of the ball you supposed to know. First one is the length. It is 90 by 110 meters. The length is minimum 110 to 90 meters length. Then width, it is 45 to 90 meters. The width of the air is 45 to 90 meters. Again, the circumference of the ball circumference is it is 27 to 28 inches. 27 to 28 inches while playing. Again, the weight of the ball, it is 410 to 450 grams. The weight of the ball, it is 410 to 450 grams. Again, the number of players in a team, the number of playing in a team in case of 18. In case of 18, it is 11 plus 7. In case of 16 members, they are supposed to 11 plus 5. Again, the players may be substituted in one match 3. Again, the duration of the match, it is 45 minutes of 2 halves. 45, again, there will be break, either interval, the 5 to 10 minutes, it is depend upon the competition, again 45 minutes. Totally 45 plus 5 to 10 minutes rest, again 45 minutes. These are the duration of the match. Again, the conduct of tournament of upstairs. Referees, we call as a referees, totally 4 members. One is main referee, 2 linesmen, 1 table official. This is totally 4 members. They are supposed to go for conduct the tournament. Again, the most important is the height of the goal post. It is 2.44 meters from the surface of the ground. The height of the goal post is, it is 2.44 meters from the surface of the ground. Again, the width of the goal post, it is 7.32 meters. 7.32 meters. These are the questions will come in the examination. Be carefully. Once again, because all the students, there will be questions like that. What is the height of the goal post? You supposed to mention 2.44 meters. Again, there will be question like the width of the goal post. You supposed to mention 7.32 meters. Again, there will be question like that. The circumference of the football, you supposed to mention 27 to 28 inches. Again, the weight of the ball, how much? You supposed to mention 410 to 450 grams. These are the main things you supposed to know regarding to the measurements of the football court at the football field. Again, you supposed to know the main thing is skills. There will be offensive and defensive skills. What are the offensive skills? The first means the basic fundamental skills. The basic fundamental skills in football. The first one is kicking. What it means? In football, the kick is the most basic fundamental kick. It is a process of providing the ball with the foot. It is process of the ball with foot. While kicking, you're supposed to know 3 important points. 3 important points while kicking. Number 1 is speed. Number 2, direction. Number 3, distance. These 3 points you're supposed to know before the kicking. In case of how much speed is supposed to give, then which direction is supposed to kick, then distance, how much distance is supposed to kick. That's why it is a most basic fundamental skill in football, kicking. Again, the purpose, what is the purpose of kicking? There will be two purposes. Number one is it used for shooting. It used for shooting. Again, it will use for clearance by the defender. These 2 points you supposed to know very well. Number one, the purpose, why the kicking is used. The purpose is used for shooting. Number one. Number two is clearance by the defender while playing, clearance by the defender. This purpose only they are using kicking. Again, there will be more important points here. You supposed to know playing leg and the standing leg. The playing leg and the standing leg. Here, playing leg transfer for the force to the ball. Either kicking leg, either playing leg. Here, you supposed to know transfer of force to the ball. Impact on the ball. While kicking, your power leg, either left or right, whatever, you supposed to know this most important point. Again, number two is the standing leg. The standing leg, the entire body weight it should be done on standing leg. Here also you supposed to transfer to force to the ball. These are most important points you supposed to know. Again, trunk. Kick is a whole entire body weight. It is on the weight of the trunk to the leg. Transfer from the trunk to the leg, then to the ball. Next, you supposed to know the most important skills. Solo trap. What it means? Solo trap. After kicking, you supposed to know some of the skills like solo trap. Here, the player supposed to receive the ball through the air. Either player on the ground, the ball reaches to the player on ground. Either the ball reaches received through the air. You supposed to know these things. Solo trap. Then inside foot trap. Again, these skills when you supposed to use. Here the player focus on the ball, must be focus on the ball. Here most important. He is supposed to always focus on the ball. Again, there will be 3 cases they are supposed to use these steps. 3 cases. Number one is stopping a rolling ball. Again, stopping low and medium high ball. The last one is stopping the ball with the bouncing of the ground. In case of these 3 cases, they are supposed to use these types of skills. Number one, stopping a rolling ball. Number two, stopping low and medium high ball. Last one is stopping the ball which is bouncing up the ground. The following cases they are supposed to use for these skills. Here, the in-step trapping, there will be basic skills also. Again, you are supposed to know some of the most important, again, offensive skills. Now we can go for defensive. What is mean by defensive? What it means? To attack. Defense means to attack. There will be 2 methods. One is zone defense. Number 2 is man-to-man defense. You are supposed to know while defending the player, they are supposed to cover it particular area only. It is called as a zone defense. Zone defense means the player provides playing area to defend particular area only. That's why we call as a zone defense. Again, number 2 is man-to-man. When it will be used, each defender has to specific task for covering one player covering covering the man to man. Individual ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗಿಂತ here the man to man ಅಲ್ಲಿ each defender has to specific task of covering one player ಮಾತ್ರ they are supposed to cover. That's why we are supposed to either one more is wherever he moves either to prevent or reaching to tackle him, either prevent, tackle. That's why we are supposed to say man to man defense. Again, the most important is some of the skills like corner kick, the goal area. We supposed to these most important points. We supposed to know fielding area. First one is the goal area. The goal area it is 6 yards from the each goal post. 6 yards from each goal. That is goal area. Again, corner area is from each corner flag post, circle having a 1 yard radius. 1 yard radius. Circle is inside the play field irtade. Corner area idella corner le both 4 corner saha there will be radius 1 yard radius. They are supposed to drawn inside of play field, inside of the play field. Again, the goal area, the goal area should be center of the each goal for line center irtade. Joint to horizontal crossbar ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. The height of it is 8 feet from the ground. The height of the goal post it is 8 feet from the ground. Again, there will be penalty area. It is 18 yards. Penalty area it is 18 yards. Again, goal area it is 6 yards. 6 yards from both sides. Goal line center madhye irtade. Again, the ball weight already, the weight of the ball already knows. The most important is here the uniforms for the players. There will be 11 players. The goalie is using separate color. The remaining players should be entire colors is the same except goalie. The role of goalie. You know, what is the role of goalie? Goalkeeper. Role of goalkeeper. Anybody? The goal of goalkeeper role ಏನು?
Sir, stop the ball.
Defensive. The goalkeeper always defensive. Protect the ball from the opponents. Either attack or scores, shooting, whatever will be. He is supposed to protect the ball. These are the few points you are supposed to know in football game. Again, regarding to detailed information, madam supposed to explanation. All the students be careful, listen the classes.
Sir.
Okay, ma'am. Continue, madam.
Okay. So, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So, sir has already brushed almost he's covered almost all points, but some of the things which you need to know in detail and some of the things which the facts which you are not aware of until now will be told you in this session. So we have 20 minutes, so we will start brushing over all those. Okay, so introduction is
Last 2 minutes ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡಂಗೆ.
sir. So introduction is the football is also known as a soccer. Okay, it is the one more name for the football is soccer. So around 250 million players in over 200 countries participate in football. So 250 million players around the world play football. Around 200 and plus countries participate in football matches. Okay, it is the highest global television audience in sport. So football has highest global television audience amongst all the sport. Okay, so the game is played on a rectangular field. Sir has already explained to you regarding that. So this the play shape of the play field of football anta heli question bandre, then it is the rectangular field with a goal to each end. Object of the game is to score by using any part of the body besides the arms and hands. So football alli enandre any part of the body can be used other than your hands and arms. So anything above the wrist is your hand and below the wrist is your arms. Okay, nimma kaigalali. So it is arms and hands bittu any part of the body can handle the ball. And the next is, today football is played at a very professional level. Millions of people regularly go to football stadiums to follow their favorite teams. A large number of people also play football at amateur level. Amateur level andre enandre competition purpose. You will be winning medal for your country, for your state. You will be playing district level, state level, national level. So each competitions matte matches adadana they called as amateur players. Okay, amateur competitions. This is the term used for them. Okay, a very large number of people also play football at amateur level. In many parts of the world, football evokes great passion and plays an important role in life of individual fans. So you must be knowing, you also, each one of you may be a fan of another football player. So you'll be knowing how much fan following is there for every popular football player in the world. Okay, so the laws of game, this is most important in football. Iga pratiyondu iga cricket alli nimge rules and regulations ide, coco nalli rules and regulations ide. Ade riti you have laws of the game for football. So football, there are 17 laws of football game alli 17 laws are there, and each one has specifications. Pratiyondu law under there are various rules which come under each law. Okay, so sir has already told you Football Association was codified in England in 1863. 1872 there was an official international match, and Olympics was also played. And in Olympics, football was played in 1908. Okay. And this is very important. Federation International de Football Association. This is FIFA. The world governing body for the game of football is FIFA. This question is very important because this question is being asked in almost all the competitive examinations, because they know globally there are huge fan of football irodrinda. Most of the competitive exams has this question, that is FIFA is the world governing body for football. It was formed in 1904, and its headquarters is based at Zurich, Switzerland. Okay. So FIFA, Federation International de Football Association, please keep that in mind. And sir has told you about the warm-ups. What are the warm-up exercises requirements? You know, besides the general warm-up, he's also told you specific warm-up exercises for football. Yavyadu nimage gottirbeku, yavyadu maadi, then you can prepare for the match. He's already told you. And he's told you about the football field and dimensions. So the marking and dimensions will be put across through PDF file to you. You can have a look at it later. And this is the measurement specification which is explained to you detailedly. So idralli nimge match duration 45 minutes, interval 5 to 10 minutes, number of referees, weight of the football and circumference of football, number of players in a team. See, number of players in a team bandaga 17, that is 18 and 16 players will be allowed. It depends on what kind of a tournament the players are playing. So Kelawun tournaments 18 players are allowed, Kelawun tournaments 16 players are allowed. But whatever may be the rules they set, minimum 11 players maximum should be playing on field. On field only 11 players must be playing, and amongst the 11 players, one will be the goalie. And akasmat injury agi yadadru player ge, if he falls sick while playing and if he is not able to play in the next moment, or nimge disqualifications naditade. Have you heard of disqualifications, yellow card and red card? Have you heard of yellow card and red card?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yellow card is a warning signal for the player. When 2 yellow cards are being shown, that means the third one is the red card. So once you give a red card to the player, that player will not be able to play the running match. Okay. So ಹಾಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 7 players must be playing in a team. Minimum 7 players. 7 players ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಬಂಡನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The opponent will be declared. Okay, because minimum 7 players have to play and 11 players is the maximum number of players inside the field. So players who may be substituted in one match is 3 number of players. And height of the goal post, which is important, he's told you width of goal post. So the width is 7.3 meters. This rectangle goal post any there, 2.44 is the height, 7.32 is the width. And next comes, there are 11 players for each team. All players, sir has told you, uniform eni irutte anta he's told you. So all players wear shin guards in order to protect their shin. So shin guard is the one which you put it under your socks. So that because shin is a very while playing football, there are chances that each person while kicking or defending each other player. So what will happen is you will kick that person's shin instead of kicking the football. Many a times this will happen. So shin once at the break adre you cannot, it is very difficult to recover. That is why they wear shin guards. Yakandre impact jaasti build irlinta, they protect themselves by wearing shin guards. So you know the uniform is jersey and the goalie will have the goalkeeper kit also. And a goal is scored. When is the goal scored? A goal is scored when the whole of the ball passes over the goal line. You can see that rectangle which I told you, the crossbar. A line olage hogi between the crossbar, under the crossbar, when it reaches, then it is called as that the match is being the goal is being scored. Okay. So the team scoring the greater number of goals during the match is called the winner. If both the team are tied at the end of regulation, sometimes there is extra time given and the match will be recorded as a tie during the regular season. So goalie is a defensive player, as sir has told you. And these are the laws of the games. Okay, the laws of the football game is field of play. Field measurement or dimension comes under field of play. And the ball, second law is the ball. So ball specifications kodtare. Just a second. Okay, second law is the ball and player, number of players eschana or required, eschana minimum, maximum, players equipment or jersey and the other protective equipments, the referee, number of referees and referee duties irtade, referee role irutte, other match officials yaryar referee bit in yaryar adike consider agirtare our bagge details irutte, duration of the match, start and restart of the match. Every time the ball goes out, there will be again the ball has to come back and start and restart. If there is an injury happened, the player will be taken out. Then again, sometimes if there is a technical timeout, there will be restart of the play. Then ball in and out of play, determining the outcome of a match. One particular match nadadaga some complications will be held. So how do you determine the result of the match? Offside yavagagate, fouls and misconduct. So there are many fouls. Okay. Then free kicks, penalty kick, throw in, goal kick and corner kick. So these are some of the laws of the game which are very, very important to be known. Okay. Then the start and restart. Every time kick off anta heli, there is a term used. The kick is again given to the player. So kick off is a way of starting or restarting the play. Yavagagate, at the start of the match, kickoff is given. After a goal has been scored, again the kickoff is being given. At the start of the second half of the match, also kickoff is being given. And at the start of each period of extra time, yavag kodtare, tie adre, athwa 0-0 score agidre, avaga they give extra time. Okay, then penalty kick. Sir has told you that is one of the laws of the game. Penalty kick is given when a player commits any foul within the penalty box. See, have you seen the penalty box? There is something called as penalty area. So this part is the penalty area. So our penalty area olage foul commit adre, then the opponent will be given penalty shoot. Okay, penalty kick. Just a second. And they are given against a team when they commit an offense which would normally be awarded a direct free kick inside their goal area. The ball is kicked from a stationary from the penalty spot. There is a white spot in the penalty area. This white spot is also called as the penalty spot. Okay, and the opposing team must be outside of the penalty area. When this team is being given penalty kick, the opposing team will be outside the penalty area. Okay, this is the corner kick. Corner kick yavaga heltare andre when the ball goes out of bounds at the end line, ball ಓವರ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಹೋದಾಗ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟಚ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿ ಡಿಫೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಕಿಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ this is the slide tackle. Slide tackle, as sir has told you, defensive skills ali bartade slide tackle. Tackle is tackling because the football field is made of a surface which is called as turf surface. Turf surface andre it is something called similar to artificial grass. So it will be slippery because watering will kicking the ball, a defensive player tackle ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, that is slide tackling ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ in order to get the ball to his possession. Our team ಗೆ ball ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. So this is the slide tackling which is being performed. And this is one of the advanced skills. Basic skill al barala, it is an advanced skill. It's quite a difficult skill. Okay. And I think sir will be explaining to you about the player positions. But now, as of now, these are the player positions which are being shown to you on the slide. Goalkeeper, left full back. I think it comes under 4+2+2. Right full back, center back, left back. So these are the player positions will be playing in a team. And there is a goalie's position also. Okay. Then sir has told you about zone defense. Zone defense andre avuna zone ಹತ್ರಕ್ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಸಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅವನ್ ಝೋನ್ ಅಷ್ಟಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಝೋನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಝೋನ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಸೈನ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಅದರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಗೂ ಅಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಗೂ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಅವರಿಂದ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗದೆ ಇರೋ ತರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. Then sir has told you about passing, dribbling, kicking, heading, trapping, tackling and turning. These are the basic skills and advanced skills of football. So passing is perhaps the most can you all hear? Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ನೋಡಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ನೀವು. I caught you. Okay.
Hey, ಇಲ್ಲ.
Okay. So passing perhaps the most important of all four basic football skills. Basic football skills ಯಾವ್ದು? passing, dribbling, kicking and shooting. Trapping. Okay. Heading. Sorry. So these are the basic skills, and passing accurately and quickly requires practice. Accurately ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಪಾಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ನನ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬಾಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ದ ಗೋಲ್. So it will be very difficult as it is 110 meter. ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಡಿಫೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ, ಅಫೆನ್ಸಿವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಯರಿಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ, then he has to see the player. If it is suitable, if it's feasible only, he will pass to the other player. So while passing, he also has to be carefully passing to the other player. Okay. So it requires quick and accurate practice. So ninge accuracy practice ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು to become quick and pass properly. You will need to approach the ball at an angle of around 30 degrees. It says the 30-degree angle alli, if you approach the ball, you will be able to pass the ball to your to your player, to your own teammate properly, because it says ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ giving your kicking leg. Sir has told you which is the kicking leg. Kicking leg ಗೆ swing ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಟ್ರಂಕ್ ಇಂದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಎರಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, and the standing leg which will carry the whole body weight. What will happen is ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಿಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಗ್ ಗೆ ಎನಫ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಅ 30-degree angle. You have to pass the ball. So non-kicking foot should be firmly planted on the ground. So it should be firm on the ground because the whole body is standing on one leg. Okay. So after passing comes your dribbling. So the picture here shows dribbling in between the cones. So in order to gain good practice of ಒಳ್ಳೆ skill mastery ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ dribbling is not very easy. So and it is not very difficult also. But if you have to do the dribbling properly while playing a match, you have to practice it through drills. These are the cones are used for the drill practices. So what will happen is it is one of the most important useful attacking moves. The players try to move the ball towards the opponent goal for scoring. So one ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ they use dribbling as a matter of moving the ball, and they pass it to while dribbling they pass it to their own team members. Objective is to move the ball while keeping it in control. This is very important. While keeping it in control. So ನೀವು ಬಾಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಂಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. The other opponent should not come and kick the ball and take to his take to his goal post. Okay, so dribbling helps the player to fake the opponents. It also helps the player to fake the opponents. And kicking, sir has told you, kicking ali in step kick, inside step kick and out step kick anta 3 types of kicks bartave. So different types of kicks in game of football. In step kick is used for powerful shooting, that is powerful leg use agtade, that is your shooting. And inside step kick is for long distance passes and shots. Okay, and out step kick helps to swing or curve the ball away, that is long approach straight, long passes madbeku anta helidre. And most important skill in the game of football is kicking. We kick the ball to score a ball. Okay, can you see this woman play kicking the ball? Girls sleeping.
Ma'am.
Girls are sleeping.
No, ma'am.
You know, no, women also play very good football. Last year 2019 ಅಲ್ಲಿ women the World Cup ಆಗಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? So women also play very good football. US I think is the best in women football. Okay, sir will be telling it to you later. Now, what is this heading? Who's heading? Who is doing this heading?
Ronaldo, ma'am.
ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
CR7.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? No response. Okay, if this skill should be properly carried out, it has to be practiced very well, because it can cause damage to your brain if you don't practice it properly. And you have to, how do you practice it? Andre hold the ball in your hands and bringing it toward while keeping it in front of your eyes on the ball, and make a slight impact on the ball with your forehead. Okay, this is Ronaldo who is jumping so high to head the ball. He jumps for around 2.65 meters. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2.65 meters. Okay, this is so high. I will just show you one picture in that it will be shown next nan slide ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅವನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ. So sir has already told you about trapping. Trapping means stopping the ball. So trapping cushions the ball, making it easier to control the ball, meaning it should not be mistaken with just receiving a pass. So sumne pass receive ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಸ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರಿಗ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಗೋಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು you have to think. That is why it is called as trapping and controlling the ball. So once you successfully master over the trapping the ball, it won't matter it's a pass from your teammate. So types of trapping are in-step foot trap, outside step trap, and thigh trap and chest trap. There is one more picture which says about chest trapping. So thigh trapping, chest trapping, and in-step foot trap are some of these types of trapping. And who is this?
Messi.
Ma'am.
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ?
Messi, madam. Messi, ma'am.
ನೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೋ ವಿಜಯ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ವಿಜಯ್ ಬಿಗಿಲ್ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ? have you watched the movie?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
No Vijay fans talking here. Okay, fine. Okay, so this is Messi who's kicking, and see that woman who's playing, and this is starting of the kick of the ball, and this is again Messi. So some of the pictures we've collected. Okay, this is heading. Who's heading? Ronaldo is heading. Alva. Look at there is one picture which has got the height. He jumps 2.65 meters. He jumps. So it is a very, very good height. And surface inda on talevargu on ellinda head madidane allivargu ad measure madidare 2.65. Okay. So this is one of the defensive skills, that is tackling. Okay. This is very complicated and advanced skills. This is called as tackling, and this is turning. Turning with the ball is also quite difficult. Okay, so turning with the ball is also quite difficult. So now we'll come up to what do you know about Indian football, boys and girls? Indian football ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬೇಗ 1 minute ಇದೆ, ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಬೇಗ.
Sunil Chetri.
Indian captain.
Sunil Chetri.
Okay, fine. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಉದಂತ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Okay, I am not sure about him. Okay, fine. So very good. So you know something about Indian football, that is very nice. Ellaru heltare India football is not good, not a good team because they haven't played well. Or nam country na
Corruption, ma'am.
FIFA level, huh? Condom?
Corruption.
See, you people only talk about this. Why is Indian football not coming well? Why is India not playing well? But do you all know that India was playing very, very, very good football in 1950s. 1950s ಅಲ್ಲಿ Indian team football, Indian men's team football qualified for the Olympics also. They were qualified for the World Cup also. That is 1950. Okay, 1956 ಅಲ್ಲಿ they have played Summer Olympics ಆಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು 1956. Indian team have played football. They have qualified for the football match and for the Olympics. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. They have secured 4th place in Olympics. Okay, so it is not, we just can't say that Indian football was not good. Indian football was very, very good in 1950 or peak performance ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರು. Then what happened is 1956 they played Summer Olympics, they got 4th place, and they also were qualified for FIFA World Cup. How they got qualified was qualifying it just 2 steps they were behind. But what happened is ಅವ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇರೋ 2-3 ಟೀಮ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಅವ್ರ ಟೀಮ್ ಹೋಗೋದನ್ನ ವಿಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. Malaysia and other such countries withdrew their participation in the FIFA World Cup. So what happened is India got a chance to play the World Cup. Adre, why they were not sent for the World Cup was because of the shortage of funds, and Indian association said that for us Olympics is much more important, greater than the World Cup participation. That is why they were not sent. Otherwise, India would play 1950 FIFA World Cup also, and 1956 they've got secured 4th place in Summer Olympics. This is very important. Okay, and avaga Asia nalli they were best. They were best among all teams. But what has happened now is recently they have qualified for Asian Cup after 27 years, and the main player who played there was Sunil Chetri. Okay, so as you all know about Sunil Chetri, okay, who is this? Have you seen this person?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
Okay, he's Baichung Bhutia, God's gift anta heltidru avನಿಗೆ, God gifted player anta. He is also nicknamed as Sikkimese sniper because of his shooting skills. ಈಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಫುಟ್ಬಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂಗೆ ಹೆಸರು ಬೈಚುಂಗ್ ಬುಟಿಯಾ ಸ್ಟೇಡಿಯಂ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So he's so famous in India and is known in his own state. So he was a 3-time Indian player of the year. He's been awarded as the Indian player of the year, and this is Sunil Chetri. So Sunil Chetri plays as a striker for Bangalore Football Club. Has also named AIFF All India, Football Player of the Year thrice in 2007, 11, and 13. He was instrumental in Indian team. So he was the main person who helped the team to score goals so that they qualify for the Asia Cup after 27 years. So after 27 years, they played Asia. Isati, next FIFA World Cup will be held at Qatar. Adikke qualification, I don't think they will be qualifying because they played 5 matches. In 5 matches, they've lost 2 matches and they've drawn 3 matches. Okay, so let's hope for the best. And okay, who are the 3 best players of the world?
Messi.
Ronaldo,
Three.
Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar.
Neymar Junior, ma'am.
Okay. So very good. So 3 best players of the world are who are they? Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and Neymar. Okay. So thanks for the patient listening. And any doubts, please ask, or you can text, or you can call us and ask. And the notes for the PDF will be given to you. I will send it to Gavi, and assignment also will be given. 15 days time irutte, then you can prepare and finish it off. I will hand over it to Prasad Reddy sir now. Sir?
So when we have to submit the assignment?
Sir.
Students,
Today?
the details information already given to Ms. Purva madam. Again, one more point is, so far more than 21 World Cup tournaments are in different countries, like the Brazil, England, then Germany, Italy. At present, more than 5 times, Brazil country won the World Cup championship in football. More than 5 times, followed by Italy 4 times, then West Germany 3 times. Again, remaining countries like either France, Spain, they are getting more than 2 to 1 times, they are winning. It is for men's section. For what about women's section? More than 7 competitions, more than 7 World Cup competitions in different countries like United States, Norway, and Germany and Japan. The 1991, this is the first time women's competition. Again, recently it is 2015. Again, United States. There are more than 7 world champions held in different countries. This is the full information. The last one is the positions of the players in football. There will be, madam already informed, 4:2:4 ratio. It means 4 members forward, then middle 2 members, again 4 members backward. Either we call it the defense, then 1 goalie. This is the positions of the players in football. The main motto is, the object of football tournament is, tell me anybody, what is the object? This game. What is the object of this game? It is put the ball into the opponent goals. Put the ball into the opponent goal. This is the main. Passes. Supposed to, there are important 3 points. When the player receives the passes, there will be body parts of the tapping. In football, the tapping is the most important skill. It means while receiving the ball, he is supposed to control the ball. While receiving, the ball is bouncing. The last one is ball in the air. They are supposed to how to receive the ball. There will be 3. One is hand rolling, ball bouncing, then ball in air. They are supposed to use these types of skills. Hand roll adaga, they are supposed to inside the foot or outside the foot. They are supposed to use these skills. In case of bouncing the ball, they are supposed to inside the foot, outside the foot, stomach, chest. They are supposed to these skills. They are supposed to use. Ball in the air idaga, inside the foot, outside the foot, then instep, chest, thigh, and head. They are supposed to use these skills. This is the few important points in football. Okay, na? The most important is in football tackling. Anything? Students? Hello?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತಿದ್ದೀರಪ್ಪ
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂತಿದೀವಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Even though they are registered more than tonight also. ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ.
No, they can't enter. Okay, sir. Sir?
Totally.
Total 83.
Out of 94.
92 sir, total strength.
83
ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, 2 members.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ
92 plus myself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students.
Okay, sir. Okay, Gavi, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Gavi, please send me the screenshot, okay?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಈಗ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, 1-2 ನಿಮಿಷ.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Yeah, bye.
Thank you, Napa.
Bye, all of you. Bye. Take care.
Thank you ma'am. Bye ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ.
Okay, madam.